Hey, Mark here from Whole Latte Love. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the brew pressure on a quick Mill Pathfinder. Mine happens to have flow control. Yours might not. The procedure is pretty much the same, although it's a little easier if you don't want to go to a blind basket. If you have the flow control, I'll show you how to do that. Tools you'll need: a Phillips head screwdriver, 12mm wrench, and a blind basket or back flush disc here. If you don't have the flow control, for sure you will need that. It does come with the machine. Now you do have to take the case off. I've already done that. It's really very easy. There's 2 screws on either side and 2 in the back. And I do have a video that'll show you how to do that. I'll link that in the description. Again, it's really easy. Then you just have to take these 2 screws off here to get the case off, and then you can access the OPV, which is right here, the overpressure valve. So we're going to use our 12mm wrench to adjust our brew pressure by turning this right here. We'll show you how to do that. Now, again, I do have flow control here. If you have flow control and you're doing this procedure, you need to have that flow control open. But I'm going to show you with the back flush disc. So I've got that right here. So I'm going to use that to lever out my regular filter basket. We'll pop that in, put it on the machine, and we'll turn the pump on. And we'll see where we're at right now. So pressure comes up here. And we're right at 9 bar, and that's like kind of the standard rate. Now, if you have flow control and your the group gauge here reads a little differently, don't worry about it. When you pull an extraction, it's going to be just fine. Now, you can set this wherever you want. You're going to find that probably from the factory, it's going to be set a lot higher than you think it ought to be. There's some reasons, some technical reasons maybe for that, but you set this wherever you want. So to increase the pressure, I'm just going to turn this clockwise, and if we go take a look at the gauge, we can see I'm going up there almost to 10, and we'll bring it back down. We'll put it at 9. And I'm bringing it back down just by turning it counterclockwise, and that's all there is to it. Now, if you have the flow control and you don't want to go to the trouble of pulling out your back flow or your back flush disc, you can just close the flow control, and you can do exactly the same thing because we're getting no flow here, and you can go make your adjustments and look where your gauge is. So again, that's really simple and easy to do. Again, I do have that video that shows you how to take the case off. Again, that's pretty easy. Just 4 screws underneath, the 2 up here, and the case will come right off and you get access to that. Of course, do you have the machine open? There is power in there, so do be careful when you do this so you're not sticking metal into wires and that kind of thing. I'm Mark from Whole Latte Love. Hope that helped you out, and you'll come back soon for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love.